Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Like we have just done previously many of the things using JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoy all the previous things which we have done here using JavaScript, and we are now just doing another project of JavaScript. And previously on we have just done many of the parts of JavaScript tutorials which we have done yet, and all the parts we have learned many of the different projects and how to use different tags and how to build projects using that different tags which we have done previously. So here today also we will be doing a different tag using JavaScript, and today we will be learning about what are numbers in JavaScript, means numbers in JavaScript, and we will be just building a project also using this numbers in JavaScript. And today we are building an amazing, you can say, quiz application using this amazing tag of numbers in JavaScript. So this video will be also really helpful. Remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this amazing quiz app using numbers tag in JavaScript. And if you just enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading, because that will giving you help and you'll be moving forward. And remember to see my all the previous videos which I've done related to JavaScript and which I've done related to many other languages, because I am also uploading a big video. After uploading these short videos, I am also building clones using Next.js 13. You can check that out because that will also giving you help. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to just use numbers to build a project of quiz application in JavaScript. So like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using numbers in JavaScript tag, and today we are building an amazing quiz application using numbers in JavaScript. So now we'll be starting to build our project. So for building this project, here I will be opening my VS Code text editor. So you have to just open this VS Code text editor. You can see I've opened my text editor. Now when you've opened this, you have to open your folder from file. So my folder is on desktop with the name of this numbers in JavaScript. You can see I will be selecting this folder directly. Then when you are just getting this, here I will be now just copying the starting code from here. Just you have to remove some of the things from here. So here I will be now removing these all things. Then when you've written this, just copy the starting code of this so we can just see our quiz. Then you have to now just erase all this stuff. Then you have to save this, paste the starting code, reload. Then we have to just do one thing. I will be closing the body tag. Now when you've written this, here I will be saving this. Then I will be pressing Ctrl B to closing this side panel. Here I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser to check it is working. So this is our project of numbers in JavaScript, and this was our file. So it is only having a background color and all the things has been removed. So I will be closing this also. Then here I will be doing side by side like this. Now when you've written this, just coding side should be bigger, so I will be making this VS Code side bigger and the interface side should be small. Then you have to move under this body tag, and then I will be writing div class. Then here I will be writing start. Then I will be writing btn. Here I will be writing button, and in button I will be writing start quiz like this. Then you have to just do one thing. Here I will be now moving down, right here div class info. Then here I will be writing box. Here I will be now writing div class, and here I will be now just moving right here info title. So here I will be now moving right here info title. That you have to just do like right here span. Then here I will be writing a tag which should be like some rules. Then here I will be writing of this quiz like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down after this div tag means close div tag. Then right here div class info list. Then I will be moving right here div class info. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing 1. You will have only span tag you have to write. Then right here 15 seconds. Then you have to just give a space right here for each question. Then you have to save this and reload. So here you can see we are just getting this thing here at the top. Then when you are getting this, here I will be moving down after this tag, and then after moving down you have to just do one thing. Here I will be now just writing a tag which will be like div class info. Then here I will be now writing 2 once you select. Then here I will be writing your answer, it can't be undone like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down right here div class info. Then I will be writing 3, and you have to write you can select any option once time goes off like this. It will be showing you the you can say the rules of the game, so you can just read these all rules. Here you have to press info right here. You will get points on the basis or your correct answers like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class buttons. Then I will be moving down right here button class, right here quit. Then I will be writing here exit quiz. Then you have to save this, and here I'll be reloading this thing. Then you have to press start. Here you can see nothing is happening still here. Now when you've written this, here I will be just doing one thing. I will be moving at the top. You can see this has been done. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving. Then you have to just move in this file here after this, and then when you've written this, here I will be now writing button class. Then I will be writing here restart like this. Then here I will be writing continue. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing div class. Then here I'll be writing quiz box like this. Then I will be moving down right here header, right here div class title like this. Then I will be moving right here awesome quiz. Then here I will be writing application, like I've telling you we are building this. Then right here div class timer. Then you have to just write div, and here I will be writing class time left txt. Then here I will be writing time left. Then I will be moving down right here div class, right here timer second, right here 15. Then right here div class, and then just you have to write time like this, and then underscore I will be writing line. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing section. Then I will be writing here div class vertex like this. Then when you've written this, I will be moving down right here div class. Then I will be writing here option list like this. Then here you have to move down again. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down right here footer. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here div class, and then right here total like this. Then here I will be moving right here button. Then here I will be writing class next btn. Then I will be writing here next like this. Save this. Then you have to reload, and you can see we are getting this continue exit quiz button. Now when you are getting this, here I will be moving down after this, right here div class result box. Then here I will be now just moving in this tag, right here div class icon. Then I will be now writing I tag. Then right here class FAS FA dash ground like this. Then you have to move down right here div class complete text like this. Then here I will be writing UF. Then you have to write completed the quiz. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving right here div class. Then I will be writing score text. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just move down after this tag, and after moving down, here I will be writing div class buttons. Then you have to just write here button class, and here I will be writing restart. Then right here restart quiz like this. Then I will be moving down right here button class. Then I will be writing here quit, and here I will be writing quit quiz. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing script src.js slash. Then here I will be writing questions.js like this. Save this. Then here I will be reloading. Now you can see we are just getting all this stuff here. Now when you're getting this, I will be just moving down right here script source. Then I'll be writing js slash script.js. Save this. Then you have to reload. Now here if I press, you can see just here we are just getting these all stuff. Then here when you will be getting this, you can see we are just getting this awesome quiz app here, and we are just getting this stuff. If I just show you, you can see in JS folder we are getting all this file. Now when you are getting this, here I will be now moving in this, and you can see when you are getting this stuff, here you have to move to check it is working. So here you have to now move to this file, and then you can see we are getting all this stuff. Then you have to now move here, then save, and you can see we are getting his thing, and then you have to reload. So you can see now we are just getting, but here you have to do one thing, like here I will be removing these all stuff which we were getting previously, and the mistake we were telling was like we have not written HTML here. If I just show you by removing this reload, so you can see it is still having. So here I will be closing this HTML tag. Then you have to save this thing, and then I will be reloading it here. Now here if I just show you by full screening, you can see this is showing us the quiz. Then if I press start quiz, you can see it is showing the rules. of the quiz which I have written, which is saying that some rules of this quiz, and it is saying you will have only 15 seconds for each question, and you can read these all rules, and then you can press continue, and you can see it is having 15-second timer. It is saying what HTML stand for, so I'll be writing hypertext markup language, then press next quiz, then it will be saying that what CSS stand for. So here this is cascading style sheet, then it is saying PHP stand for. So here you can just put any of this, you can see this I have just put it. Then it is saying what is SQL, just done for. Then here I'll be pressing next, then this is the last question here. So here you can just put this one, you can see. So this is the thing, and this is our amazing project, and in the end it is saying that you have completed the quiz and congrats, you got 4 out of 5. So this is the amazing quiz project which we have just built, and you can see if I'm pressing this quit quiz, so it has been quitting the quiz. Press start quiz, you can exit by pressing it also, then you can continue by pressing this continue button. You can also just do wrong, so here I am doing it wrong again and again. So if I just show you, you can see again wrong, and then here this is wrong, and then this is wrong. So it is saying that you have completed the quiz, and it is also saying sorry, then it is showing one emoji which is saying you got only 1 out of 5. So this is the project here, and we have just built this amazing quiz game. So I hope you understand how we have built. So this was the amazing quiz game which we have built, or you can say this is the quiz application which we have built using numbers in JavaScript, and I hope you enjoy this different project which we have built. Previously we were building many of the project using many different languages that were good, but I think that we should make any other different project also using this numbers in JavaScript. So I built this project. So I hope you understand and you enjoy this project. If you have understand, enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of this. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.